In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PowerPoint presentation with ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right into it. The first step you'll want to take is to visit the ChatGPT website. If you haven't done so already, you can find it at chatgpt.com. Once you're on the site, you'll likely need to log in or create an account if you're new. It's a straightforward process, and once you're in, you'll be ready to start creating. Now that you're set up and logged in, let's move on to the next step. In the chat window, you'll want to type in a prompt that outlines the presentation you're looking to create. This could include the topic, key points you want to cover, or even a specific format if you have one in mind. The more detail you provide, the better ChatGPT can tailor the presentation to your needs. For example, you could say, create a PowerPoint presentation on the importance of renewable energy, and include any specific sections you want, like an introduction, data, and conclusions. After you've submitted your prompt, wait a moment while ChatGPT processes your request. Once it's done, you'll receive a text response that includes a suggested outline for your presentation, along with content for each slide. This is where the magic happens because ChatGPT can generate detailed information and suggestions based on the prompts you provided. Now, here's where you can take a moment to review the suggested presentation. Make sure it aligns with your vision and goals. You might find some slides that you'd like to expand on or new ideas that you hadn't thought about before. Feel free to edit or refine the slides as needed, asking ChatGPT for additional content or adjustments where necessary. If you think a certain section needs more detail, just prompt the AI with a question or request, and it will provide further information. Once you're satisfied with the content, it's time to take the next step. You can now proceed to download the presentation. ChatGPT will typically provide a link or an option to download your presentation in a suitable format, usually as a PowerPoint file. Just follow the prompts to download it to your computer. And there you go. You've successfully created a PowerPoint presentation with ChatGPT. It's a quick and efficient process that can make your presentation building experience much easier. Just remember that even though the AI does a lot of the heavy lifting, it's always a good idea to personalize the content to better reflect your voice and style. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up